Okay, hello, good evening. Okay, so welcome to Pagaruyung's Palace. So I want to ask you some questions, maybe about your opinions. But before that, I want to ask where you come from, Miss and Mister?
From Prancis.
From France.
Yeah,
Okay,
France.
welcome. So after going to the second, third floor, so what is your opinions about this palace? You first.
Me,
Yeah.
first of all, I was surprised about the how big it is
Yeah.
because compared to the other one that we saw, it's very huge. And I was surprised as well about all the details on the roof, on the wall, on the floor, everywhere.
Yeah.
And like you explained us, all the little details have a
Meaning.
meaning.
Yeah.
So what is good, and it's good to know.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you. And how about you? Yeah.
Same things, but to me it's about the color, all the
Yeah.
color of the palace.
The colors, we have colorful colors here that symbolize of the nature and also the world. Yeah. And after this, actually in Indonesia, how long will you stay in Indonesia?
We stayed 3 months in Indonesia.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah.
So we will have a big tour in Indonesia.
Yeah, we've done
So
lots of islands.
actually, how can I know what places that have you visited?
We visited Bali,
Bali,
Java.
Java. Have you gone to Jogja?
No,
Oh,
Not yet.
Yeah, I mean, actually, they also have a palace there, that
Yeah,
special palace
we know.
that the king still active there.
Ah.
Yeah, because now here our king is not active at all because they don't have any power anymore.
okay.
Yeah, but in Jogja they still have power and the society. So, yeah,
Maybe one time.
yeah, next time. And after that,
And
after
we've been to Lombok,
yeah.
Komodo, Flores,
Mm.
and now Sumatra and Mentawai.
Wow, that's amazing. So after this, where will you go?
To Malaysia.
Malaysia. Wow, actually, the first visitors that's coming here is almost of them is come from Malaysia.
Yeah?
Yeah, because there is a palace there we call Sri Menanti. Their king is come from this area, this palace. Yeah, the
Ah.
first, the second, the third king was come from this area, the Pagaruyung Palace. So they built Sri Menanti Palace in Negeri Sembilan, Malaysia. It looks alike with the original one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
Okay, which part of Malaysia?
Negeri Sembilan.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go there.
Yeah,
Yeah, and also actually their pillar they use no nails like in this area.
Okay.
Yeah,
nice.
but you see that now in the pillar is concrete in this one, but
Yeah.
that's original from wood and no nails. Yeah, and their culture, the cultures their spoken. This looks like with Pagaruyung
Okay.
Palace. Yeah, yeah. I hope you enjoy a trip in Indonesia and especially in West Sumatra. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Terima kasih.
Bye.